Hello, I am Faith Hunter, and welcome to the introduction of the Breathe Approach. In this video, we will delve into the powerful method designed not just to heal, but to regulate your nervous system, enhancing overall well being and resilience. This is called the Breathe Somatic Method. This holistic framework has actually been my cornerstone of personal practice and my teaching, aiding in helping myself and others to engage deeply in the process of healing. On that note, I am excited to share how each element of Breathe can transform your life and the lives of others. Breathe is not just a word, it is an acronym that encapsulates a powerful approach to somatic healing, and it stands for body, release, energy, awareness, transformation, healing, and empowerment. Each element of Breathe works synergistically to support the nervous system in regulating, which is crucial to achieving overall health. Our journey begins with the body. This is where we learn, feel, and change. By becoming aware of our physical sensations, whether it's tension, relaxation, or even the temperature, we start to connect more deeply with ourselves. Practices like yoga, tai chi, body scanning are not just exercises or practices, but they're invitations for us to listen. Next is release. This step is crucial for clearing out both physical and emotional blockages. Through deep breath work, guided relaxation, shaking, and targeted bodily movement encourages the release of stored energy, especially in our shoulders, neck, and back. This isn't about feeling a little less tense. It's about opening up space for new energy and experiences to flow naturally. Now we have one of my favorites, energy. Energy flows through us like a river. In our practices, we focus on cultivating and managing energy, or prana, within our body. I find that techniques like deep breath work, even tapping into our hands through mudras, and other energy related practices help us to regulate the balance and that vital force, empowering us to maintain holistic health. Now let's talk about awareness. Awareness brings us a heightened sense of mindfulness and presence. It's about tuning in to the present moment and truly breathing, feeling, and living in it. Whether it's through mindfulness, through meditation, through walking, or even just conscious self observation, all of this enhances our awareness and enriches our connection to ourselves and the world around us. Now we have transformation. Transformation is facilitated through intentional practice, using the insights gained from our somatic experiences. we commit to and we are able to even set deep personal practices that can align with our personal growth and our goals. This could be adjusting or adopting a new movement practice, or even engaging in reflective journaling. Each step, each practice is designed to foster deep change and massive shifts. Healing. Healing in the Breathe method is comprehensive. It encompasses body, mind, and spirit, integrating practices, for example, like restorative yoga, therapeutic touch, and even other various emotional and healing techniques, like even Reiki on yourself. This somatic approach of healing isn't just about treating the symptom, it's about nurturing our body, mind, and spirits back to wholeness. And finally, empowerment. This aspect is crucial as it shifts us from being a passive participant to an active participant in our own healing. We learn skills of self-care, body mechanics, and self-regulation, and that builds confidence and self-reliance in managing our own health and well-being. Thank you for taking time out to discover the Breathe method, and know that each component offers unique tools that together form a powerful framework for holistic well-being. So, continue to practice. Remember that the core of the journey is about regulating the nervous system to foster resilience and vibrant health. Keep breathing, keep exploring, and stay spiritually fly.